Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through sublimating another mug, and I'll be using my convection toaster oven. The first thing I'm going to do is open Cricut Design Space, and I am going to use one of these Coach purses. They are so cute. We're going to go ahead and adjust the size and stay to the end because I have a surprise and I can tell you where you can get these as well. So make sure you keep listening to the end. Give me a thumbs up, comment if you want. I'll go ahead and leave that information at the end. I am going to be sublimating on a 15-ounce Cricut beveled mug, and the dimensions that I'm going to use are 10.75 by 5.3. And if you need help trying to determine what size you need, I do have another video out there, and I'll leave that one below in the descriptions to kind of help to determine what your dimensions will be. And we're gonna put this right on top here. I want it at the very, very top. And you can even select both of them, align, just to confirm that it is all the way on the top. Arrange, let's go send to back. So now we are going to select both and hit slice. We are ready to hit make it, and we are going to send it to my Epson, and we need to mirror it. Continue, send to printer, and I'm going to change this to the Epson. I'm going to leave the bleed on, and then I'm going to turn the use system dialog on and hit print. And then we're going to change this again to the Epson and hit preferences. I'm going to change this to legal, and I have it on paper matte. That's fine. Quality is high, and more options. Make sure high speed and mirror off unless you're going to mirror there and not in Cricut Design Space. Advanced, and I'm going to use color controls, and this is all good to go. So we're going to hit OK and print. We just finished printing, and we're now going to have Cricut cut it. The paper is so thin, I'm just going to select laser copy paper, and we're going to go ahead and place the paper on the mat. And make sure that you pay attention over here on the left side on how to place it so the Cricut knows how to cut it. The first thing we're going to do is clean the mug. I'm going to use rubbing alcohol, and you want to make sure you clean it very well, because if you don't, you can end up getting spots on your mug. And it looks clean, but it's really not. There's little, dirt. You just don't see it. And I'm also preheating my toaster oven at 400 degrees. And you want to make sure to preheat it at least for 15 minutes. So we're doing that while we do this. The next thing we're going to do is apply the image. Isn't that so cute? So we're going to apply it here. And one of the important things is making sure that you tape it very tight. You want to make sure that it stays and it doesn't move. Go ahead, that's a big piece of tape, but let's do that. And I'm also using heat resistant tape. If you're new to sublimating, when you sublimate, you need to make sure that everything that you're using is meant for sublimating. This mug is meant for sublimating, and I'm using the Sublimation heat transfer. I think the key is taping it very well. So I have this here. I'm not done with that. But now we are going to go around here, because if you see, you can see just kind of like a gap here, very barely. But when you tape it all the way around, top and bottom, it keeps it pressed against the mug, which is very important, and that's what you want. So now let's flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing. So it is taped really well, top, bottom. Now I'm going to do the same thing around here. You'll see here that it's taped really well. Actually, let me do one little spot right here, all around here. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is apply the heat resistant shrink wrap. I'm going to place this just like this, and I am going to make a little incision where the handle is. Let's take this out. And then I'm just going to cut this part right here. Okay, so now let's place this in here. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this really tight. I am going to cut a little bit off too. I'm taping it there, and now I'm going to take the other half and I'm pulling it very tight, and I'm going to tape here as well. So another key thing to do is tape this really well so it stays. Right, so I think this is pretty good, you guys. So this is good. I thought that when I hit record, it recorded. So all I did was use the heat gun, and I just went over this when it was on until it shrank. I got a new phone, and it's, I guess, with me, and I used that to record, and I don't know, when I hit record it didn't record, and I thought it did. So I apologize, but it's pretty simple. So now we are ready to put it in the toaster oven. We are going to place this in here, but I'm going to place parchment paper down as a liner. Just place this in here and place this in here and set the timer for 15 minutes, and I don't need to rotate it since it's big enough, and it'll be perfect just the way it is. Alrighty, so it's time to take it out of there. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And it's super hot, so make sure to wear your heat resistant gloves. Wow, it's so hot, you guys. Isn't this awesome? So anyway, you guys, I told you I would tell you where you can get these. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them on my Facebook page. You can find the link in my descriptions below, and they'll be over there. So thanks for watching, you guys. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.